Hello, dear colleagues. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Jagjit Singh. The topic for today is how to speak so that people want to listen. How to learn the art of communication so that people pay attention to you. It didn't come naturally. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 steps on how you can communicate so that people want to listen to you. Before I tell you, you have had those situations when you were trying to communicate something, but the people are pulling out their cell phones, checking WhatsApp messages, or anything else. People are not paying attention. There is no attraction. You can't actually magnetize the attention. Why is that happening? It's because of them? Absolutely not. It's because of you. And in this video, I'm going to share some steps to grab the attention of the listeners. Step number 1, think fast, talk slow. We Indians, we speak very fast. When you talk fast, your thoughts are not producing. The factory, that is brain, is not producing more products. That is thoughts. So, how would you distribute more? Distribution is more, production is less. Ultimately, you digress from the main idea. So, think fast, talk slow. Step number 2, keep the communication very short and crisp. Means, try to see how you can reduce the words to express the idea in an effective way. For example, if I say, I was thinking if you would like to go there, rather you say, hey, would you want to go there? So keep it short and crisp. Don't use extra words. Step number 3, limited use of heavy vocabulary. The reason of communication is to communicate your message to other person so they understand, but a few words of heavy vocabulary can be used to make the language ornamental. Step number 4, use of intonation. Have you seen those movies which doesn't have any emotion, which doesn't have ups and downs? No drama. Have you seen like a plain vanilla flat movies? There is no drama, but people love drama. If you speak very plain and there is no intonation, it will be very boring for somebody to listen to you. For example, I can be flat in this video. Like, I'm going to teach you how to communicate with the people and how it can be really very helpful for you. This is flat. There is no intonation. How would you grab attention so that people want to listen to you? By intonation. Speak little dramatically. Speak with ups and downs, soft tones, hard tones, loud pitch, soft pitch. All these things are used to captivate the audience and capture the audience. Step number 5 is body language. 50% of communication is body language. 35% is intonation. How you say it in the right emotion. That only 7 to 10% are about words. What you say. So, if you say the heavy stresses on body language, if I say today, I am going to teach you 5 steps on how to improve communication skills. Versus, today I am going to teach you 5 steps on you can improve your communication so that people listen to you. And you see there is a different look and feel of the way you do it. And your hands are actually congruent, is matching with what you are saying. When you do this, people want to listen to you. Because not only the auditory skills or auditory powers is in engagement, right? But also their visuals are in engagement. So how you move your hands and where you talk and where you move it make some impact on others. So let me know which one is your favorite communication skill that anybody can learn the art of communication. Thank you very much for watching my video.